Why aren't more people raving about hazelnuts? Let's uncover the secret health treasures packed inside these tiny nuts. First up, hazelnuts are a powerhouse of antioxidants. These little guys help combat oxidative stress and keep your cells happy and healthy. Next, they're loaded with healthy fats. Say hello to monounsaturated fats, the good kind that supports heart health and lowers bad cholesterol. Third, fiber alert. Hazelnuts are a fantastic source of dietary fiber, aiding digestion and keeping you feeling full longer. Snacking win. Fourth on the list, hazelnuts pack a protein punch. Perfect for muscle repair and growth, making them a great addition to your post-workout snack. And lastly, hazelnuts are rich in essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin E, magnesium, and B vitamins. These nutrients support everything from skin health to energy levels. So there you have it. 5 compelling reasons to make hazelnuts your new go-to snack. Go on, grab a handful and give your health a delicious boost.